before for electricity.
Yes.
Usually like that.
For central office?
Yes, people are interested. We may keep together this one in January.
In January, I would say first, reach out to, if you're looking for design people, reach out to Micah. That way he can filter it down to Jacob and Virginia. If you're looking for, yeah, I'd say reach out to Micah.
Micah?
Yeah.
No,
Yeah, Carrie, Micah.
C-A-R-Y.
Go?
No?
Go ahead. Yeah, he's the new program manager.
The guy who sat
Oh, yeah, we didn't do program manager. That's the one.
Yeah, new program manager.
What are you?
Hardware performance. Like MC, I like that. Oh, because I was part of a meeting that was for, somehow I got invited to a meeting for new features and enhancements for ActionWare VR, DR 7.5.
Did you listen to that, man? I think I already used to listen out of news after what's coming on.
Yeah, I wanted to see and hear, ask you guys' plans for 7.5. Because I know last year when we upgraded to 7.4, you guys were all gung-ho about staying up to date yearly. So, I wanted to see what your plan was for 7.5. I didn't mean to throw a wrench in your works. And then simultaneously I talked to Chris Root, Matt Cat. You're gonna get Matt Cat. You two, us three are the testers for Prime 9.
Yes, Steve.
Yeah. I don't know. You guys have a problem with Prime 3.1.
I know anything. I think it's all responsible. Yes, I'll bring it. I don't provide confidence to anyone. They're trying to do more. Tell me what it is, man.
You guys.
We don't really know how we do it.
Why do you guys don't like 3.1?
I like
Yeah, I will like.
No, people one suggesting something they introduced it. But if you are buying them, just good night and conversion to inbuild there.
Yeah.
Easy.
We'll see what happens.
Yeah.
So.
But mostly people are really
I haven't actually had a lot of pushback for requests for converting.
But and the guys are when you go with the district,
Yeah, they were using that for cable.
yeah, and we have to provide some jobs and the job we blocked that right after.
Yeah.
We didn't convert them.
Or
Oh. And it seems from the last week or something. This is really crap. You don't tell me. Yeah, we can be some. You need to send reminder, right?
Sign Jacob. Talking or something. No, where'd you guys go for lunch? I was gonna take you somewhere, but you guys disappeared on us. Oh, you guys just went downstairs?
Nick, I think it is.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So I think they're still down there with him.
Okay, that's fine.
He's having a blast picking our brains.
Oh, that's good. Well, I'm glad you guys got something like that.
Mark, let me ask you, we gotta quicken the pace here a little bit.
Yeah.
How hard is 5?
How hard is 5?
Yeah, like if it's 5:30 or we
5
should say
is
hard 5.
pretty hard.
Yeah,
I would
okay.
say.
We're gonna have to rely on those save point models a little bit.
That's fine.
Yeah.
I think if we, yeah, I think that'll be okay.
Yeah, because we gotta make sure we get through everything by the end of tomorrow.
Yeah, end of tomorrow, definitely.
Yeah.
I know our
Okay.
Friday is kind of like an introductory to new products and new features, but we could slightly adjust it into Friday if needed.
Yeah, we're gonna try and get everything hard complete by the end of tomorrow. I
Okay.
mean, not compromising anything. But we're gonna have to, reserve maybe 20 or 30 minutes per section that we need to complete. This way we have enough time when we talk about influence surface
Yeah.
construction.
We can also say hold our questions till before break or something. And I know it's a little difficult now that we're here in person to also troubleshoot people's issues and continue on. So we might have to just
Yeah,
say,
we'll still come by and
continue
assist.
on, even though it's
Yeah,
people
but,
in person.
right, at certain points, we're gonna have to just, continue on to the next
Yeah.
chapters.
Yeah. So I think as long as we just keep that pace of, we'll stop
Yeah.
help, but we got.
Right, exactly. Okay, let me, get them from downstairs back up here.
No, they're downstairs in the basement.
Okay.
Basement.
Oh, they're eating down here?
Mm-hmm. That's what they did. I wasn't.
We need to talk in them to get them. It's up to the board. Or you can say one sentence, say, you have a different kind of setup. Or you want what the setup you do, start at all in Monday. Or if you are good to go Monday afternoon, after the long. 2 Wednesday.
I sent it to him. I didn't copy. I don't know their face machine. Excuse me. Or click share to enable input. That's what it
Was it Jacob George? That's part of the variations.
I'm not trying to set up up the quick share this morning. Would have been nice if I'd seen the note. Use input 2 instead of click share.
Oh.
Would have been so nice.
Yeah. Makes everything easy.
Funny. How's the job that?
Oh. Very, very. Did I say enough berries? Maybe I need to add 2 more. Very, 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 very busy.
You are happy there when you log in?
Huh?
Are you happy to work there when you log in?
It depends.
But you give it, it's not always easy.
Because Manuel worked here, right?
Yeah.
I know.
Yeah. Good there, then why do you find a job in technical?
Well, you are a boss. So you can.
No, I'm under the boss. You know?
Yeah, but you are a boss. You can still employ. If you